Best pot for African violets. ATRI pot is supposedly the best choice you have when choosing the best pot for your African violets. The pot stands out among the rest. It comes featuring a two-part design to ensure a consistent water supply in the potting soil, therefore ensuring your potted African violet will never dry out. Better yet, the pot saves you the hassle of watering regularly as it boasts of a self-watering mechanism. The mechanism ensures that your plant will never suffer the consequences of over or under watering, and hence it's a great choice. Besides, it's colorful and appeals to the eyes of many. Therefore you can use it for decorative purposes in your home. Unfortunately, some people complained the pot arrived broken. They had to buy glue for pots while others had to seek a refund or replacement. Another great option you have when shopping for the best type of pot for African violets is Maryland China pot. It's creatively designed and will capture your attention the moment you lay your eyes on it. Most people love using this pot as it holds enough water to keep your indoors or outdoors potted plants well watered for more than 3 weeks. You will appreciate that the manufacturer offers several color options. This means you have the freedom of choice when purchasing. You can therefore go for the one that blends well with your home decor. On the flip side, some people are not okay with the pricing. TVP pot has been embraced by various homeowners and seasoned gardeners due to the many incredible benefits it offers. First and foremost, the pot is multi-purpose and can grow many plants other than African violets. Some of the best suited plants for this pot include Christmas cactus, fern, asparagus, Boston fern, chrysanthemum, etc. You will like their best pot for growing African violets as it has a huge water reservoir that will hold sufficient water to keep your plants hydrated for up to 3 weeks or more. In addition, most users have found it unique as it's fully glazed inside out to ensure zero leakages. You can therefore be 100% that no water goes to waste. Unfortunately, some users had complained that the pot cracks easily if mishandled. Maryland pot 4 inches urn-shaped. If you love your potted African violet plants, then make sure you plant them in a pot that will not pose the threats of over or under watering. Finding such a pot may be tricky, but not anymore without this unique pot from Maryland Company China. One thing you will probably like about it is its unique design. It has been designed in such a manner it will drain excess water and still hold sufficient water for plants. It comes featuring a drainage hole that drains excess water and lets in air. This is extremely important as it makes sure your plant has all the conditions for optimal growth. Compared to most other best flower pots for African violets available in the market, DEELF pot beat them all. However, if you doubt these sentiments, consider that it comes with water injection holes on the innermost plastic pots. These holes ensure that you can comfortably water the inner pots without detaching. You will therefore save time between watering. What's more, is that the pot is made from premium quality materials which will last longer. In addition, the material is eco-friendly, meaning it will not pose any threats to your plants or the environment. Another great thing you can't afford to downlook is that the manufacturer gives you 3 pots for one price. You, therefore, end up saving a lot of costs. On the downside, the pots do not come with soil or plants. You have to look for these on your own. There is one thing about ZOUTOG pot. It comes featuring double layers to ensure durability. Those who bought it before have praised it as the best pot money can buy, not only due to its strength and durability but also due to other incredible benefits. For instance, it comes risk-free, meaning you can request a full refund or free replacement in case of a default product. Also, it is uniquely designed to add decor to your home. We bet you will even love their ideal pot for African violets the most as it's self-watering. Moreover, it will save you from the hassling of caring for your plants, hence it more convenient. Unfortunately, ZOUTOG pot will incur some high costs for delivery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.